Hi all, today we'll be learning how to draw the oddbod Z. He's in green color. So the things that he requires a sheet of paper, a pencil, a eraser and a few black pens to outline. You know that Z is the sleepy oddbod, that is he's lazy. So we're going to draw a pose of him as if he's very drowsy. So let's get started. You can just draw an oval at the start, but it should not be a complete oval. Like at this point, so it should be a diagonal line, and again a diagonal line. Yes, you can just make it quite equal. If you want, you can just draw it even more bigger. Inside which we can draw the face, but for him, as he is drowsy, the face should be a little bit smaller. We just extend the sides from here. Yes. Look, we can draw the top part of his body. It should be a one that is spiral. It should be like kind of spiral. At first we can just do the rough part, so we can later on we can just modify it. We just rough. So his hands should be like, the one of his hands should be like folded back and the other is being hung down as he's drowsy. You can now draw the leg. I feel that this leg is quite small. I could just make it bigger. Yes, I think this is our rough structure. You just start building it up. Yes, first I feel that I could just make it a little bit bigger on the top. Should go up a little bit and down. Just erase the lines that are visible. Yes. We can now draw the eyes here. Just shade it temporarily. And the other leg should be as this one is lifted up and this is down. So this eyebrow should also be up and the eyebrow here should be down. You can just draw a slanting curved line so that you can correctly find the position of the eyebrow. Let's continue. So we can now draw a nice and big circle. Similarly here. But the thing is that he is drowsy. So to make that he is drowsy, we can just draw a line that somewhat divides it exactly into half. But it shouldn't be a straight line, it should be a kind of curve. And we can draw half of the eyeballs, which signifies that he is drowsy. Then we can draw a mouth like this. It should be an upside down smile. Unlike others, they have a square dome. You can just draw that too. So our face is now ready. You can just continue with the rest of the body parts. Let's start. Just erase the legs and modify that too. Yes, so it's kind of good looking only. Similarly here we can rolling it down. You just modify this leg. Yes, it's now looking good. I think later on we can just focus on the face a little bit. So we can now draw the hand. 3 of his fingers should be visible, like, and the rest should not be, should be covered. So similarly the other side, but at this side all the fingers should be covered. It's completely at the back. It's okay if one is visible. I could just make the hand a little bit bigger. Now we can just draw a curved line like here. It's like a too sharp line, you just curve it. Just create extra lines. So you can just draw some lines, some wrinkles here and there because he's sleeping. So I can just modify the mouth. You can shade that too. Yes, so the only remaining part is the top. I don't know what to call that, but it looks like kind of antenna. So we can draw a rectangle here, and then from this point first a curved line that goes all the way towards the center, and then it should be an exact line outer towards it. Yes, so it's good. Now I can just draw stripes. Yes, so here too going to be the same. Just a rectangle. Yes, so just like compress this part alone. Okay, yes. So our drawing of Z is now ready. We can just outline it. So drawing of Z is now ready. So do check out my other Oddbod videos and stay tuned for more. Like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching.